guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Miss Isolde and we are going to make a TBR for the month of July. Actually, I've done reading for the month of April. Pero di pa nakakapagawa ng book wrap-up. Nagbasa ko na yung May. Nasa June na ako, hindi pa ako tapos guys. My God. Hindi pa ako tapos, may tatlo pa akong books. At the same time, may dump pa ako na isang book ng The Count of Monte Cristo. Hindi ko pa rin tapos. Ikaw ba na magbasa ng 1,200 pages? Eh, syempre, nag-work ako at the same time. So, yeah. So, we are going to make the TBR for the month of July. So, here are the books that I will going to read for the month of July. So guys, here are the books that I am going to read for the month of July. So, total of 7 books. Pero, manipis lang siya guys. Maninipis na. Mga pampagana lang. Kung sa pagkain, pampagana ng pagkain. Kasi bookworm tayo guys. So, we are going to read this for the month of July. We're trying to read pa yung previous ko. So, maybe it will going to be related. So, the first book that I am going to read for the month of July is about Jane Austen. So, nabili ko lang talaga siya sa book sale. So, nabili ko sa book sale and nandito pa yung price guys, 70 pesos. 70 pesos. So, Jane Austen on Love and Romance. So, para lang siyang mga notes. Pero parang siguro quotes lang niya ito. Ayan. So, mga pampagana lang siya pagkain. As bookworm. So, yeah. Alam niyo naman, kailangan natin pampagana ng pagkain pag tayo nagbabasa. So, I choose this book for the month of July and so cute. Can you imagine? Nakita ko sa book sale. So, this is really for me. Thank you so much, book sale. Yes, nakalagay din sa likod. I suppose there may be 100 different ways of being in love. So, if you want to make like Elizabeth Benz and live happily ever after with a man who owns half of Derbyshire, then arm yourself with this ostentations, grade 2, flirting, and courtship. So, basahin natin ito. Kasi hindi ako marunong mag-flirt. So, yeah. So, the next book that I am going to read for the month of July is actually para tong pambata. Pero, since hindi rin ako masyado nakapagbasa ng mga ganitong books na pambata nung bata ako, this is classic books for children. So, this is The 39 Steps by John Buchan. So, napakanipis naman yan. Mga pang appetizer. So, yeah. So, nakalagay dito sa likod. Basahin na natin, tanggalin na natin. Kasi parang, minsan salamin ko kasi parang hindi na sa akin. So, tanggalin na natin salamin. When Richard Hanay returned from a long stay in Africa, he becomes caught up in a sensational plot to precipitate a pan-European war. After the discovery, of course, in his plot, Hanay pays attention to both the conspirators and the forces of law and the pursuit turns into thrilling manhunt. So, pambata, ito pero pwede rin pang-adult. Set against the hot summer which precedes the outbreak of the First World War, the 39th Step is one of the finest and most highly admired thrillers even in 10. So, maganda to guys. Parang pang-adult yun. Nakala ko pang-bata to kasi 39th Step. So, nangyari pala ito sa World War. No World War pa. So, this is Wordsworth Classic case. So, I think this is in total of 100 plus pages. 100 and 115 pages. So, mababasa ko lang ito in just one day. So, the next book that I will going to read for the month of July is Shakespeare Germain Greer. So, Shakespeare, medyo ngayon, cloudy, sakit sa mata, yung climate sa labas. So, this is more on Shakespeare book. So, nabili ko din siya sa book sale. Mahilig ako sa book sale, pero titignan ko rin, mga murang libro guys. Kala niya magpagkamamahal na libro ko. Yung mga mahal na libro yung ko dyan, yung mga nasa pulibo. Sa pulibo ko pinula. And sometimes iba sa National Bookstore. So, this is all about Shakespeare. Nakabasa na ako ng Shakespeare for the month of July is Only a Kiss. The same as one. So, nabili ko. The Birth of Charity. So, by Frederick, sorry, hindi ko mabasa. Frederick Netz. Sorry, so sorry po ha. Pero, ito siya. Hindi siya penguin. Pero, classic book siya. Ito yung copy. So, nabili ko rin siya sa murang halaga. And maganda naman ito. Parang laminated yung cover. Yan siya. Maganda lang pagka-print, diba? Pantay siya kasi maliliit. So, sa mahirap yung magbasa, maliliit ito. Hindi mo kaya sa pero kaya magsalamin kayo kaya mag-device. So, yeah, the story is all about parang ito pala yung resemble of Hamlet. In the sense of the Shen men resembles Hamlet. Both have once looked truly in the essence of things. They have a knowledge and Messiah inhibits action. So, celebrated German philosopher French. So, German pala to guys. The Birth of Christ. Commonly thought of as romantic, but try rereading it without being unleashed by this extreme of physical and psychological violence. Emily Bronte novel of impossible desires, violence, and transgression is a masterpiece of intense, unsettling power. It begins in a snowstorm when Lockwood, the new tenant of Thrushcross Grange on the bleak Yorkshire moors, is forced to seek shelter at Wuthering Heights. There he discovered a series of tempestuous events that took place 20 years before. The intense passion between the family Houghton and Catherine Arshaw, her betrayal of him, and the bitter vengeance he now wreaks on the innocent girls of the past. So, di ba, hindi mo maiintindihan. Pero since yung title is Wuthering Heights, maybe story ito sa sa mga bundokong lugar. Doon siya nagtira sa mga bundok-bundok, which is napanood ko yung place ni Emily Bondi ko siya tumira sa Shelwood. Nasa bundok siya nakatira, dinadaanan niya walang sasakyan, gano'n doon sila. Yung kapatid niya doon nag-stay sila sa taas ng bundok. Wala silang ibang kahit yung TV like ganun, doon sila sa taas ng bundok, gumagawa sila ng mga poems, at saka yung mga story, hanggang sa nabuo itong ganito. At mantahin mo, sila doon, diba, sa taas ng bundok nag-stay. Yung tambayan nila, nung bata pa sila. So, ito mga brother, sisters yata na to is, namatay sila dahil sa sakit na lumaganap ng I think tuberculosis yata. Kasi something na parang nagkaroon ng pandemic. Something, di man pandemic, pero doon na sa lugar yun. Nagkaroon ng humaganap ng sakit. And then sila yung natamaan. Kaya, ano ko naman yung mga murders na to. Yun yung pagkaintindi ko sa story life nila. Mahirap ng life nila, guys. Can you imagine that? Pero they trying so hard. Tapos may isa, kala ko si Emily or isa niyang kapatid na nagsikap na ibig siya para maging teacher. Kasi nung unang panahon, di ba, elementary graduate ka pa lang, pwede ka na magturo. Kasi yung elementary graduate mo, mataas na yung degree of learning kaysa sa ngayon. Kahit pinahaba na ngayon, di ba? Samantalang nung unang panahon, graduate ka ng elementary, makakapagturo ka na. Graduate ka ng high school, makakapagturo ka na. Pero sa ngayon, hindi na yung ganun, guys. So, I think that's will happen dito, guys. Kasi may mga exam na magiging grade 3 ka na. Pag iba, grade yun. Pag nag-exam ka rin, magiging grade 4 ka na. Kung magaling ka talaga. Ganun pa. Pag magaling ka, ganun. So, kaya, pag-graduate mo ng grade 6, high school, noong panahon, pwede ka na magtubo. Ganon. Kasi may mga exam pang mataas na pwede kang, pag nakapasa ka nun, pwede kang turo na ganon. Ganon noong unang panahon. So, yeah. I'm so excited to read these books with you in my booktube channel, in my YouTube channel. And yeah, sana may maging tayo more knowledge with these books, and I am really excited to share the stories of these books with you in my YouTube channel. So come with me and help reading or do the reading of these books. So yeah, I'm so excited to see you in the channel. So yeah, thank you for those who are watching my YouTube channel, and yeah, I'm so excited. For those who are watching me right now, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the likes button, and click the notification bell for more videos. So yeah, see you in my another vlog. This is Miss Isolde, your bookworm. See you in the video.